Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing Lie Like This by Julia Michaels. Very simple song, guys. We're going to use 4 basic chords. Just make sure your capo is on fret number 1, and we're playing the following chords. First chord is an F, right? Then we go to G, and then A minor, E major, F, G, A minor. Right, now if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, guys, you can check out my chord video. There's a detailed illustration on the chords that I used in this video, and if you can't find it, just let me know. I will link it in the comment section down below. Otherwise, yeah, for the strumming pattern we're playing like this. Okay, so that's down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Pretty much the whole song, guys. The verse, the chorus, everything. It's the same chords. If there's any other new songs that you need me to check out on this channel, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.